Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now we discuss about botany first year top 10 long answer questions. I am going to explain most important repeated long answer questions. Out of 4, you can expect minimum 3 long answer questions. So total for 2020 and 21 academic year only. The first question, explain different types of racemose inflorescence. This is the first long answer question. You have to describe about different types of racemose inflorescence with neat labeled diagrams. For diagrams 3 marks, for description different types of racemose inflorescence 5 marks. Second question, with a neat label diagram, describe the parts of mature angiosperm embryo sac, that is the female gametophyte. Mention the role of synergids. For this question, you have to describe about structure of embryo sac. 7 cell 8 nucleated structure embryo sac is there. For diagram 3 marks. For describing about answer 4 marks. 4 plus 3 7 mark. Mention the role of synergid. For writing role of synergid, you will get 1 mark. Total 8 marks. You have to describe about embryo sac structure. Third question, draw the diagram of a microsporangium and label its wall layers. Write briefly about wall layers. That is the microsporangium. TS of anther. It has various different layers. Epidermis, endothecium, middle layers, tapetum, the total various wall layers that you have to describe with the help of one diagram. So enlarged diagram is there, transfer section of microsporangium with total different layers. That one single diagram, that is enough. 3 marks for diagram. For describing about various different wall layers 5 marks. Fourth question, describe the process of fertilization in angiosperms. For this also you have to draw the diagram. So the process of fertilization, how the pollen tube enter into the embryo sac. So you have to draw minimum 2 diagrams for this question. You have to describe about the process of fertilization, syngamy, triple fusion. You have to describe clearly about the syngamy and triple fusion. For describing answer, you will get 5 marks, whereas for diagrams 3 marks for this question. Next, fifth question, write brief account on agents of pollination. Agents of pollination, so abiotic factors and biotic factors. There is 2 diagrams are there. For abiotic wind pollination, 1 diagram is there. Hydrophily, 1 diagram is there. Vallisneria. Compulsory you have to draw 2 diagrams if you write this answer. So for 2 diagrams 3 marks. For describing total answer 5 marks. Sixth question, what are the possible types of pollination in chasmogamous flowers? Give reasons. Chasmogamous means the open flowers. What type of pollination occurs in chasmogamous flowers? Here also 2 diagrams are there, hercogamy, heterostyle, like that 2 diagrams you have to draw 3 marks. For describing about answer 5 marks. Next, describe internal structure of dicot root. Dicot root, transfer section of monocot root, transfer section of dicot stem, transfer section of monocot stem. Here anatomy 4 important long answers are there. For these questions you have to draw only sector diagram. For the sector diagram, if you will draw, you will get 3 marks. For describing answer, you will get 5 marks. So here the dicot root, monocot root, dicot stem, monocot stem, ground plant, the complete inner view diagram also there, that no need to draw for this exam, for IP exam. Only sector diagram. That sector diagram with the proper labeling, if you will describe, you will get so full marks. For diagram 3 marks, for describing answer 5 marks. These are the most important top 10 long answer questions or 8 mark questions.